Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how you can use Google Gemini if you are a complete beginner. So essentially I'm going to be covering what exactly is Gemini AI. We're going to be exploring the Gemini's capabilities, how you can get started with using it as a complete beginner, and so much more. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so getting started, Gemini is Google's largest and most capable AI model that can process a wide range of data, including images, videos, text, audio, and code. It claims to surpass even the most advanced AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot Bing Chat. Now, one of the standout features of Gemini is its multi-model nature. And this means that it can seamlessly have a conversation across various modalities and provide you with the best possible response. So for example, it could assist us in learning a musical instrument. If you make a simple request such as learn basic guitar chords, then Gemini can help you by displaying chord diagrams, find a video on proper finger placement, and offer a short audio clip of what each chord should sound like. And if that's not impressive enough, then it can even help you with building a gaming PC. For example, you could instruct it to find you compatible parts at the best prices, keeping the total cost under $1,500, and then you can explain potential performance bottlenecks to watch out for. Or for example, if you have favorite games that you want the PC to be able to run, then you can list them out in your prompts and then ask Gemini to build a PC based on that. Gemini will then compare specifications, calculate costs across various retailers, and use its technical knowledge to highlight areas to prioritize or compromise on. That's pretty impressive in the reasoning area. And essentially, as of right now, Google has developed two versions of Gemini that are available for public use, each with its own set of skills. So we've got Gemini Pro, or the free version. It's smaller but also faster than Gemini Advanced. You would have text generation, translation, question answering, some basic coding, and it can summarize and analyze data. And it may have limited support when it comes to multimodality and of course image generation quality. Now for Gemini Advanced, it is the definitive, larger, more powerful reasoning and coding capabilities model. You can think of it as ChatGPT 4 instead of the free ChatGPT 3 version. And of course, it would include everything that the Gemini Pro has in the core skills, plus advanced problem solving and multilingual support. You can reliably use it for complex coding assistance, debugging, integration with other tools, and so much more. And it offers some deeper analysis, report generation, insight extraction, and all of that complex kind of stuff. And Google claims to seamlessly combine images, videos, audios, and other inputs for more nuanced responses. So if you're an individual or you work within a small team, then maybe Gemini Pro could be the one for you and you don't really need to upgrade to advanced. However, for enterprises, developers, or researchers, then upgrading to Gemini Advanced is needed in my opinion. Simply put, Gemini Pro is not equipped to handle such complex tasks, and at that point you would have to make an investment in Gemini Advanced. Luckily, you're able to get full access to Gemini Advanced for only $20 a month after your first initial 2 free-month trial, and you would also get some free Google Cloud storage with the subscription. So to get you started with using this AI model, then first open up your browser and visit gemini.google.com. And for that you will need a Google account to get access. So you can just create one, but most people would already have one, so you can just simply sign in with it. And then after that, you will be presented with an interface where you can pick from suggestions or start asking questions. Now, one of Gemini's strengths is its integrations with other Google services. So for example, you can use the @Gmail tag in your prompt to have the chatbot summarize your daily messages, or the @YouTube tag to explore topics with videos. Furthermore, you can benefit from Gemini by attaching an image. It was claimed that Gemini can accurately describe the image, identifying logos and explaining its meaning and design elements. And while some of this is true, sometimes I would upload a random image and just ask Gemini to describe it. But unfortunately, it was not really able to do that. So I would think the current capabilities are limited, but this is all subject to change. It still does an okay job when you give it an image and then ask it questions based on it, such as to identify text or find numbers and all of that stuff. Additionally, you can use Gemini Pro and even better, the advanced version, for code generation. For example, I asked it to generate a code for a web scraper that extracts product information from e-commerce websites. This is actually a very challenging code that would take people hours, if not days, of working on. And just in mere seconds upon submitting the prompt, I had my code ready. In addition to all that, you can use Gemini to actually generate images, so you pretty much get image generation as if you bought a Midjourney subscription or DALL-E. So honestly, as of right now, and this is all subject to change as in to improve and get better over the long term, Gemini comes packed with features and capabilities. From text and image generation to coding, the possibilities of how you can use Gemini in your work or day-to-day life are limitless. I hope that you found this video to be useful and informative. If you did, then let us know by leaving a comment, or if you have any other questions. Definitely make sure to stay subscribed so that you can stay updated on the latest developments on Gemini or any other related topics. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.